then I'm going to do some brows. I'm going in with Revlon's ColorStay Brow Lights in shade Blonde. This is kind of cool because it's got this little blending brush on the end of it, and this side has two sides to it. See there? There's a highlighter and then the brow part. So you kind of just fill in your brows as it, see there? Oh, wow. Okay, brush. And then don't forget, I like to use my brow product to make my lips just a little bit plumper looking by creating a shadow in the middle there. See there? Then I'm going to do a little bit of a powder highlight moment, and I'm going to use Revlon Skin Lights. This is their prismatic highlighter, and I'm going to use shades 202 and 201, starting with the 202 shade, which is kind of more of a goldy peachy color. Just a fluffy brush. Oh yeah. And I'm going to just lightly add that, which this kind of is like a buildable highlighter. So I just want it to be like I'm glowing from within, you know? It's all natural. Then I'm going to go in with the shade 201, which is this nice sort of silvery goldy color, and I'm just going to take my finger and get some of that, and I just want to take it, oh yes. Just going to put that in the inner corner and blend that out so that it opens up the eye with just a little bit on the nose and a little bit on the cheek. Create some depth to that highlighter. I feel like that's a key to looking like you're glowing from the inside, is creating a depth to your highlighter, so two different shades, so that it sort of is popping on different levels, you know? And then we're gonna go in with mascara. This is Revlon's new So Fierce Big Bad Lash. For outside activities in the snow, you probably definitely want it to be waterproof. So this one's waterproof, and I think it can be very important to keep your mascara from not running while you're shredding, you know? You don't want that. You don't want mascara in your eye and it affecting your capabilities of shredding, you know? Who wants that? Nobody. Wow, look at that. It's gorgeous. Wow, this like separates every lash. That's incredible. And lips, I'm going to use Revlon's Ultra HD Matte Lip Mousse. But I want something natural, but just a little bit of something. So I'm gonna use shade, this is shade, oh my gosh, my eyes, I need to get them checked. 800 Dusty Rose and 810 Sunset. I actually really like these because they hold really well. Like, no joke. And I just like to put a little bit and then, oh, they're so velvety. And then spread them like this with my finger. And then I'm gonna go in with this shade and give it just a little bit of depth. Putting that in the middle. We'll warm it up a little bit. To tone down that pink just a little bit, I'm going back in with the brow pencil I used earlier, and that is it. Easy peasy shredding look. What I would wear out shredding, you know? Sometimes it's like this, sometimes I like to do something a little bit with a little more pizzazz. It just depends on how I feel that day, and this is what I'm feeling. I'm feeling like this. It's supposed to. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you like it. I sure like it. This highlighter is really pretty. Super pretty. I really like it. And yeah. And she's ready to shred. If she could, ooh, she would. I want a snowboard.